Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A3 wheel caps. First, make sure you have the right tools, like a flathead screwdriver or a dedicated wheel cap removal tool. Always park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to keep your hands clean and protected throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal. Once prepared, locate the small notch or gap on the edge of your Audi A3 wheel cap. This is usually where you'll insert your tool. Gently slide your flathead screwdriver or removal tool into this opening. Apply steady, even pressure to pry the cap outwards. Avoid sudden jerks, as a smooth motion helps prevent damage to both the cap and the wheel. To prevent any damage, consider placing a soft cloth or tape over the tip of your tool before inserting it. This acts as a buffer against scratches on your wheel. It's crucial to avoid using excessive force, as the plastic clips holding the cap can easily break. If the cap feels stubborn, try rotating it a little to find a more effective leverage point. Patience is key here. Reinstalling your Audi A3 wheel caps is straightforward. Simply align the cap with the wheel, making sure all the clips are correctly positioned. Then, press firmly on the center of the cap until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place. For more helpful tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below. You'll find links to other great deals there too.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.